Yo, Comedy Lounge. Yo, check it out. It's Saturday night. We had a little barbecue, right? And come on now, stop. Yo, it's Saturday night. Yo, we had a little barbecue, and Elmo's here. And yo, Alex wants to give Elmo a George Jefferson. I don't think it's a good idea because yo, first of all, he's losing his hair. Second of all, it's like thinning and he's gonna be tight if you take that off. Like yo, he's really gonna be pissed. I don't think it's a good idea, but I mean, I'm gonna film it if he's gonna do it, you know what I mean? But I know that he ain't even gonna probably get through with giving him the George Jefferson. I know for a fact he'll wake up because
he's tank, man. He drank a lot.
But still, it don't matter. Nobody's cutting my hair like that, and he's not that. You know what I mean? Nobody could cut my hair. I don't care how. Nobody can put a clipper to my hair. So yo, just stand by and check this out, cause this right here, it's gonna be bad because my mom's in the house. You know what I mean? And it's gonna get hectic in here because if he wakes up and finds out that his hairpiece is gone, it's gonna be fucking hilarious. But yo, we're gonna try to get all of this for you because I don't know if he don't wake up. I don't know how I'm gonna do it. Get the GoPro or whatever, but we can't wait up for him to wake up. So we'll see how this goes. But stand by and yo, subscribe to the Comedy Lounge because it's gonna be fire.
Yo, son, you ready? You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready, yo.
Yo, AC, it's your boy AC back from the Philippines. I'm the new barber in South Beach. Richie, move over because I'm taking
Yo, listen, Alex, try to not wake him up. Try to, because listen, my mother's in the next room.
All right.
And I know he's gonna flip. So just be on your fucking...
Rita loves me.
I know that, but if she wakes up, she's not gonna like this shit. She don't want people here as it is.
Me.
I know, but she's tired and just... Yo,
You're
listen.
tired, but let's get this
Yo,
in.
listen. Just be as quiet as you can and try to listen, because just when this turns on, you gotta hold it. Come on, just go. No. Pull up in this room. Just wait a second. Wait, let me turn the light on. I'm trying to dim it as much as I can. Chill. Just come in nice and easy. It's very small in here. Alright, gotcha. Chill, back up.
Jefferson, everything.
Yo, it's over when he wakes up. I swear to God, he's gonna fuck. Yo, man, he looks like a fucking idiot. What's going on? I can't believe that you did this right here, bro. Calm down. No, it's not even funny, bro. I gotta go to work tomorrow. I got my kids coming this weekend. No, it's not even a joke. Calm down.
I just wanted to help you out, bro. Seriously, I'm not laughing. You see me smiling, bro? We are
Calm down, bro. Come on, no, it's not even right. No, I'm not gonna calm down. I'm not gonna calm down.
I just wanted to help you out, right?
Mommy, she, but calm down.
Mommy's sleeping.
Calm down. All right, okay, bro.
He woke
Come
up
on,
this morning.
get that camera out of here.
All right,
Come on,
listen.
get that camera out of here. No.
Calm
The
down.
video shit ain't even funny.
No, but we're not
supposed to be funny.
It's not even funny,
Al,
bro.
we're not supposed to be funny. We're friends, bro.
All right, then act like a friend, bro.
But I am.
Act like a friend.
I'm gonna fix it for you.
How you gonna fix it?
I'm gonna.
Why don't you fix it?
I fixed a little bit. I fixed a little
You
bit.
can't fix it.
All right,
Yes, you can't fix
calm
it.
down.
You
All right,
can't fix it.
Calm down.
You cannot fix it.
Yes, I can.
You what are you, a beautician? You cannot fix it.
All right,
I am.
You're so
We was
stupid.
standing up there
You're so
anyway.
stupid.
All right,
Go do what you do.
No,
Go
no,
play it. No,
I'm gonna fix it.
no.
I'm gonna
Go
fix it.
play basketball. Get out of here.
All right, listen, hold on a minute.
What is
Hold
he?
on.
Jay, talk to this motherfucker. Come on, man.
Calm the fuck down.
Yo, for real.
Listen, man.
Let's fix it. No, we're gonna fix it.
All right, ain't gonna
I got the
fix
money.
it.
I got.
You're not gonna look that bad, Mo. The bald head looks good on you.
It don't look good, Jay.
It really doesn't look good. Listen, you were receding a little.
I'm just trying to help you, dog. Relax.
All right, he's gonna fix it. And then how is he gonna fix it? That's it. All right.
What do you mean that's it?
Listen, you're part of the comedy lounge now.
I don't want to be part of the comedy lounge. I'm a grown man.
Yeah.